Hi, this is Scott Thompson in Retail Technology. And in this video, we're going to cover some of the features in iUnify where you can manipulate how you're using the application when ordering. There's adjustments to the screen that you can make and different modes showing either one item or 3 items at a time. So we're going to go through those 2 features now, and I'm starting with a batch. I've already got 5 items in this batch, and I am in currently list mode. Notice you can see that I have 2.5 items showing. And if I touch here at the bottom of the screen with my finger and drag up, then I can go through the batch, okay, down to the very bottom of the batch. This is the very first item I scanned. And if I touch at the top and drag down, okay, dragging down like that, I can get to the most recent item. This is the most recent item I scanned here. Okay, this is, like I said, this is list mode. If I touch this icon here, this is the icon that'll toggle me over to item mode. So I'm going to tap that now. And in item mode, you're looking at one item at a time. So I'm going to scan another item. Okay. And scan another item. And in this mode, you're looking at one item at a time. Every time you scan an item, it just takes up the whole screen. And if I want to scroll through the batch, if I tap, okay, I'm on the last item here. If I want to tap to the previous item, I will tap here and scroll to the left, just like that. That's the previous item. I'm going to do it again. Okay, I'm just tapping here and scrolling to the left. The nice thing about the item mode is you see more information on the screen. You get to see PC and status. You see previous order history. This is a great illustration here where this item was ordered on the 20th, the 6th, and the 30th. So if I can scroll a lot, I'll get all the way to the beginning of the batch. But no matter where you are, if I scan again, it will throw me back to the back of the batch. Here it took me back to the steak sauce and incremented the counter by 1. I'm going to tap on that icon here at the top and go back to list mode. And over here, as I'm scanning items, it'll put the item, as you see, at the top each time I pull the trigger. Another way that you can adjust the screen is with this symbol here. This will set the screen in full screen mode. So if I tap it, I've toggled it now to full screen. Notice I get a little bit more. I got, now it's 3.5 items that I can see at a time as I'm scrolling up and down. Okay. I'm going to toggle it again, just tap it. And it puts me back and turns off the full screen mode. Let's go back over to item mode. I'm tapping the item mode icon here to go back to item mode. Okay, and that same feature exists here as well. I'm going to tap that full screen option. Okay, and it just gives me more items, information on the screen at a time. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for attending. Bye-bye.